the price of that, and I should have them at 20.
That's ridiculous. My kid's trying to talk me into buying $12,000 sneakers. I'll buy $100,000 watches, but I've never spent $12,000 on a sneaker. I think Uncle Doug wants to buy Kyle $12,000 sneakers.
Yeah,
look at this. Daddy Tony will buy another $100,000 watch.
These are not just regular sneakers.
Okay, tell me what's special about these.
Are a work of art.
A work of art.
Made by this master designer called Christian Dior.
Can you say that one more time?
Christian Dior.
Oh, Christian Dior. So do these do anything special?
Excuse me, the expert. She needs to stop.
Okay, what do these do that is special to justify me? Now, I can spend $100,000 on a watch, but why would I spend $12,000 on sneakers?
It's an investment. First of all, you walk around, flyest person in the world.
First of all, how much were they when they came out?
2,250, exactly.
And when did they come out?
They came out about a couple years ago, if I'm not mistaken, but it's supposed to be at 20 grand. It's a size 12, we have it at 12 grand. They're gonna go up, it's only gonna go up, it's an investment.
So you're telling me I'm the idiot that should have bought them at 2 grand?
Why are these gonna keep going up?
It's Christian Dior and Nike.
You're never gonna.
I'm Tony Nino, why doesn't my shit go up?
Because you ain't Dior, bro. Your name is
Dior.
Dior.
Nino is better than Dior.
It's Dior.
Not Dior, bro.
It's Dior.
Bro.
Hey, just show them their backup shoes, I guess.
Yeah, you want to see my backup?
You don't want to get them these, bro. Just get them by these.
No, I'm not going to be telling you the price because price isn't necessary.
Yeah, this is just regular ones, you know?
These are just
look at them. These don't
regular
look expensive at all. They're
just regular shoes.
So we should just ring them up, right?
Yeah, just bring them up.
They're not even in a glass design like that one. You know,
So
they're
they're like $100 bucks.
Add another zero. I mean, but look, okay, look at this.
It's a backward push.
Is not doing Nike anymore. This is like the last pair
This
ever.
is it. No more.
And
Limited.
These look used.
Bro, how dare you say that?
Does the price? Look at his face, bro.
I know,
Is
Dad.
there a price for your
How
child's
much
Happy
is
happiness?
for so long, Dad.
Okay, how much are they?
They're just, you know,
Whisper it to
No
me, I'll
comment,
tell
no.
him. Whisper it to me, I'll tell him.
Whisper it to her.
they're just 4 digits, bro. It ain't 5 digits, it's 4 digits.
Just measly 2,600. Nothing.
Measly $2,600?
That's light work.
It's like,
Light work.
baby gets straight A's.
He does get straight A's.
He gets
He does get straight A's.
And let me tell
And
you.
he's turning 15 in 6, 5.
Are these an investment
5
too,
months?
or you gonna-
Listen, if you don't want to give me those over there,
I mean,
I'll settle for these.
Ooh, that's a businessman right
straight
there.
A student over here.
Bro, it looks like you Brian's stupid ass Travis Scott sneakers today.
Let's go.
Hey, I want you to know I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like any of you. This is stupid.
Keep in mind,
I'm leaving. I'm never coming out. I'm dropping the YouTube show. I'm not spending any more money.
Hey, is the company buying these shoes for us too over here, or what's going on?
Oh, you buying some shoes too?
Oh,
the
yeah,
company.
we're getting-
Your shoes better cost more than those shoes.
they don't.
This is gonna be the tag of the video. I spent $2,600 on sneakers. I'm an idiot.
Hey, Tony's up in here. Tony's up in here like over
They have
like,
11
you
now?
get a shoe, you get a shoe.
Let's go.
Got it.
This is some
Got it.
bullshit. I'm not hanging out with them no more.
Don't ever forget, Kyle. Got you, bro.
Jack,
Got
look at
you.
this so secret.
You see what did I say? Teamwork make the dream work.
Like, so Kyle, how does it feel to be 14 years old, a freshman in high school, and then you're gonna have like $1,000 sneakers on your feet? I mean, you're used to $800, $900 Yeezys. You know, I was wearing the Supremes, and I know those were like $600, $700. But how do you feel about these?
These are just 20 times better. It's a way bigger upgrade than I had before.
I'm born in '83. Adidas, really comfortable.
Agreed.
I guarantee you, these are more comfortable than those $1,000 shoes over there.
Now you gotta get a pair of like Yeezys or something
These
comfortable in your life, more than just $120.
I'm not even kidding. I never tried these on.
So comfortable.
These are really not my style, but how comfortable they were, I'm like, dude.
So then it's 2,671 and 45
Wait, can you say that one more time?
It's 2,671 and 45 cents.
Is that in pesos?
Not in pesos.
Damn.
Oh wow, what?
About to drive this thing for the low car limbo. It's gonna be crazy.
Put it on number 2. Take parking brake down. Put your foot on the brake. Put it in Corsa. Kyle won low car limbo in the Lambo. He obviously does a better job than Dad, so he'll have to drive the car from now on. So Kyle,
Yeah.
you won low car limbo.
Better than you.
Better than me. Now he's gonna replace me one day. It was gonna happen sooner or later. So I guess Kyle gets to drive the exotics now. Dad's already getting pushed out. Doesn't even have a driver's license. Look at that.
It's my car now.